Hello and welcome to Half Channel. Today's video is going to be a live event talking about 5 things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. Yes, 5 things I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it and give this video a like and keep sharing. Point 1. Know your niche.
Identify popular trends or topics of interest and add your voice. How did Calf Channel come about? By identifying a particular niche that was very much of importance at a particular time, which was the time of e-learning during the lockdown. Some schools carried out the process of e-learning and caused a little difficulty for students due to the fact that they didn't know their way around these platforms. So Calf Channel capitalized on such issues and created much more super content that could help push and facilitate this e-learning, and that is how far we have come through this niche. Another example of a niche that is so much trending this time around is makeup videos. Women and ladies are very much interested in makeup videos because they want to look and appear elegant. So capitalize on this niche, produce very much exciting videos and hit it right on the head. Number 2, good intro. Introduce your videos. What your video is about. Your intro could take a form of a voiceover or a video of yourself introducing your video. In the process of introducing your video, always remind your audience to subscribe to your channel, share and like your video, as this could go a long way to help YouTube recommend your videos through the number of views, likes and shares you get from your video. Certain apps I use to design my intros are Adobe After Effects and Premiere Pro. These apps are very great for producing very good intros, so you may want to try your hands on that. I'll be leaving a description of these apps in my description below. Number 3, attractive thumbnails. Yes, you may wonder why you need an attractive thumbnail. An attractive book attracts a reader. Alright, so to attract customers or to attract audience to your channel or to watch a particular video of yours, your thumbnail must look very beautiful and attractive. A thumbnail is what appears on your video when YouTube recommends your video, or it appears on your home screen of your audience. So some apps I use to design my beautiful thumbnails is Photoshop and CorelDRAW. These apps are very good. They can help you design a very good and attractive thumbnail. Number 4, always plan your content to stay consistent. Yes, always plan your content to stay consistent. Know what you want to talk about, and if possible, script the different points of what you want to talk about. Try to have a schedule to help you stay consistent. Plan your videos. Write down your videos whenever they come to mind. Alright? Jot them down. With time, develop them gradually. Before you upload a video, ensure that you have fully developed that particular content and exhausted everything with regards to that content. That way, your video would be very educative and informative which will in turn excite your audience to keep them watching and sharing your videos. The YouTube game has shifted quite consistently this day due to very high competition amongst creators. Try to stand out by delivering high quality content. Some tools that could be used to edit videos and render them in high quality are Adobe After Effects and Adobe Premiere Pro. I love using these particular apps because they have helped me a lot in coming this far. I will be releasing a follow-up video discussing into details some of the tools and apps stated in this video. Number 5, copyright songs. This is a big issue in content creation because YouTube does not, and I repeat, YouTube does not like you using songs from other people. So as much as possible, acknowledge and give them credit whenever you use their songs in your video, probably as a background or anything. However, YouTube also has a list of copyright free songs that I'm quickly going to display on your screen. I'm going to take you there shortly. Here we have the audio library, as you can see in the left corner here. This audio library contains copyright free songs that any YouTube content creator can use as a background. So let's open it and have a look at them. There are quite a number of them. Yes, so these are all the copyright free songs you can embed in your video as a background. Beautiful. If you made it this far to this video, we have a bonus level for you. Yes, a bonus level. We earlier stated that we are going to explain certain 5 mistakes YouTube beginners always make. Alright, but just for appreciating the fact that you have got to this far in this video, we are going to give you extra more 3 of these points. So we move to number 6, produce original content. Produce original content. Do not lift original videos of other creators and upload them to your channel. This goes against the YouTube community guidelines. So you would notice that Cash Channel's videos are solely produced and created by Cash Channel. Own your videos. Produce your own content. If you have seen a video on YouTube that you want to produce, you are at liberty. Produce that, but let it be your own. Do not lift videos of others. As you can see here, all the videos I have here are videos produced by Cash Channel. Alright, and you can see the thumbnails of the videos. Alright, so always and always produce videos by yourself. Do not lift videos of others and upload them. Number 7, set search tags and keywords. I guess you didn't know what a search tag or a keyword was. Now, let's look at them. To every video you post or to every video you upload, there are certain keywords that could optimize your video on YouTube for search. Okay, with these keywords embedded in your videos, it will be easy to find your videos whenever your audience search by these keywords. And such keywords are a lot. You can identify them yourself and fix them in the keyword section when you are about to upload your video. So as you can see here, these are some keywords I've used in one particular video of mine that has helped push my video to the next level, increasing the views and everything. So if you want to do same for yours, just know the right keywords to use in the tag section of your video. The last point is monetization. Yes, monetization. Did you know that you can get paid through YouTube videos? Well, the good news is yes, you can get paid through your YouTube videos. And this is what YouTube calls monetization. It involves hosting videos of ads in your original video. So you are hosting ads of other companies, other industries, what have you, on your main video. Okay, and this is what YouTube calls monetization. However, before a YouTube creator can start earning some money from this, you need to meet a standard that has been set by YouTube, and that is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 required public watch hours. When you meet these standards, you can then fill a form of joining the YouTube partnership program. Okay, so work hard, ensure that you meet your 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours.
Yes, so these are the tips I wish I knew before starting my YouTube channel. Subscribe, like, and share this video. And remember that YouTube pays. Stay blessed. I'm out. Also hit the like button below and keep sharing this video. Point 1. What will the be nice? It's noisy. Point 1. Know your niche. Cut it!